How to repost stories on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily repost your stories on Instagram. So first thing first, just open up your Instagram application. Make sure you are logged into your account, and now simply select your profile icon at the bottom right corner and simply head over to your hamburger icon at the top right corner, just like this, and simply select your archive section. So here you shall see all of the stories which you have uploaded previously. Now just tap on any one of those stories which you like to repost, and now to repost it, just tap on this three dot icon at the bottom right corner. There is more icon or more option. Now simply click on this share button over here, and once you click on share, as you can see, it will be heading over to your storage section just like this. Now you can basically change your background filter just like this, and once you're finally satisfied, you can also add music or text or stickers from over here, or you can also even tag the people from over here. And once you do all of that, just tap on this your story and simply share your story just like that. And that is exactly how you can easily repost your stories on your Instagram. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.